Spicy, crispy, and loaded with South Indian flavor, Chicken 65 is a crowd favorite for a reason. Let's make this restaurant-style classic at home, the Halal way. Start with 500 grams of boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized chunks. Fine meat works best, it stays juicier. To marinate, add 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon garam masala, a dash of cumin powder, salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix it all up, and let the chicken rest for at least an hour. The longer it sits, the better the flavor. Now for the crispy coating, add 2 tablespoons corn flour and 2 tablespoons rice flour. Crack in 1 egg to bind everything together. Heat oil for deep frying. Drop in the chicken in batches, and fry until golden, crispy, and irresistible. That crunchy texture. That's the magic of rice flour. Don't skip it. For that authentic Chicken 65 finish, heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add mustard seeds, curry leaves, chopped garlic, and green chilies. Toss in your fried chicken and coat it in all those sizzling flavors. Add a spoon of chili sauce if you want a saucier version. Spicy, tangy, and totally addictive, serve Chicken 65 hot with lemon wedges and fresh curry leaves. If you love this, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple. Let's cook up flavor together.